Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create polygon shape logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Use polygon tool to draw a polygon shape. Corner 48 fix or go to effect menu and stylize and round corners and radius 40x fix. Rotate 90 degree. Draw a lines to divide shape. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Angle 30 degree from main panel. Select lines and copy and paste in front and rotate minus 30 degree from main panel. You can adjust lines with the direct selection tool, shortcut A. Now select all shapes and apply divide in Pathfinder. Shift Ctrl F9 from main panel. Right click and ungroup Ctrl Shift G. Select shapes and go to Windows menu and Pathfinder and apply Unite. Copy Ctrl C and paste in front Ctrl F. Select shape and right click and transform and reflect and select vertical. Again select shape and right click and transform and reflect and select horizontal. Select shapes and apply Unite from Pathfinder panel. Use eyedropper tool, shortcut I, to pick color. Go to Windows menu and Gradient panel, Ctrl F9. Click on Reverse Gradient. Right click and arrange and bring to front. Select both shapes and right click and make clipping mask. Ctrl 7. Group. Ctrl G. Select both shapes and apply align from horizontal, align left from main panel. Finally, your polygon shape logo design is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create vector logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.